Hello everyone, I would like to share my experience to you because a lot of my friends asking me this. Pre, ba't lagi na lang gas at grasa na lang hawak mo, di ba criminology student ka? My answer is yes, I'm a criminology student but I have an interest in automotive. I know that these two areas are different and unrelated. Let me explain. Criminology is about studying crimes, criminals, behaviors, and laws, while automotive is about diagnosing and fixing vehicles. For me, these two have some similarities, just like problem solving. You need attention to every detail and patience, of course. Um, Being a mechanic while studying as a criminology student can be done at the same time, even though they are not related. My example is my father. He graduated as a automotive student in CSU Carig campus, but now he's currently working here at Tuguegarao City Police Station as a police executive master sergeant. Uh, my father was my inspiration when I was a kid, but I started my interest in being a mechanic when I'm in high school, when I started having my own motorcycle. Um, just My father didn't hate me for what I'm doing right now. He always says that just keep in mind that nothing is impossible. Just don't forget your dream and you will achieve it. Thank you, everyone. God bless.